Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I scribbled out my address, as you can see, for all the crazies out there. So this is not going to be a very good unboxing. You should see what I'm doing right now. Just to get this tripod to be facing this way. This is ridiculous. I just didn't feel like waiting till tonight after Sebastian went to bed and then, you know, all that crap. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. I have no idea what I got in this month's bag, box, whatever. So got a cute purple bag for February. Go ahead and reach in here. The first items is this Playa Everyday Shampoo. Gently cleanses and hydrates with coconut water, sugar beet extract. Wow, that's interesting. And then the Playa Supernatural conditioner. So that's cool. It's usually not enough though, because I have like really long hair. Anyways, next thing I have is, I actually picked up two things, but this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation, and this is in light medium sand. Oh my god, I just used this the other day. I got this in Sephora Play like, god, months ago. And watch, it's gonna have like a little syringe top. Yeah, it's the same exact shade and everything. I use this when I feel like really pale. So this is, yeah, this is the light medium sand. Like when I don't tan my face and stuff like that, I'll wear that. Okay, so this item is, oh, look how cute this is. This is the Kat Von D. In my last video, no joke, I think it was for, yeah, it was BoxyCharm. I was saying that because she sold her brand, she's selling her brand. So I said in my last video for BoxyCharm that we're probably going to be getting a lot more Kat Von D products in our beauty subscription boxes. And look, another one. Anyways, this is her Locket setting powder. This is the translucent. Oh, that's cool. I always wanted to try this. The next item I have, this is really hard. I wish you guys could see what I'm doing right now. This is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer with Multi-Action Super Lotus. Sorry if I'm reading like really slow. I'm trying to see through the viewfinder. Anyway, so, ooh. Oh god, I'll never do it like this again. This is, yeah, the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer with Multi-Action Super Lotus. Probably just said that. Ugh. Anyways, it's really hot here today, and my sliding glass door is open, and I'm baking. Oh, it's like in a cute little glass jar, so that's cool. Alrighty, the next item. I don't feel like opening this because I just might give this away. I have so many moisturizers. The last, oh, I have two more. Okay, the next item I have in here is the Lancome 15% vitamin C concentrate corrector. Oh, wow. It's like in this like legit silver bottle. Like, feels metal. That's cute. I don't know what it is, but and this is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic, I have no idea, Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer, hydration for up to 72 hours for all skin types. So let me go ahead and give away. I'm not even doing my little, last time I used to just pick a number 1 through 5, but this is the Fresh, which is like a known reputable brand from Sephora. If you guys know, if everything that's in here you can also purchase at Sephora. So this is the Fresh moisturizer. So go ahead in the comments below. Let me know what you did on Valentine's Day. So, because that's like the theme. It's all like with hearts and stuff like that. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to win this. It's 0.23 fluid ounces. Go ahead and put in the comments down below what you did on Valentine's Day. And I don't know, don't be embarrassed to say, you know, you didn't do anything because you don't have anybody or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Like, we've all been there. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. It's my Ipsy one, which is really, really late. All right, you guys, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.